Hey there everyone, I'm pleased to bring to you my first video on this channel. Today, we're going to dive deep into the world of one of the most iconic and majestic animals on Earth. The African elephant. They are truly fascinating creatures, known for their incredible size, intelligence, and amazing social behavior. In this video, we're going to explore some interesting facts about African elephants, learn about their behavior and communication, discuss their conservation status, and talk about what we can do to help protect these amazing animals. Let's start by discussing some interesting facts about African elephants. These giants of the savannah are the largest land animals on the planet, weighing up to 14,000 pounds and growing up to 10 feet tall. Wow, that's a lot of weight. Their trunks alone have over 100,000 muscles and can be used for a variety of functions, including breathing, smelling, and grasping objects. African elephants also have very large ears that they use to regulate their body temperature and communicate with other elephants over long distances. Did you know that their ears can be as large as a small car's hood? I bet you did not know that. It's amazing how elephants use these giant ears to listen for sounds from miles away and communicate with one another in different tones and pitches. Animal behavior. African elephants are incredibly social animals, living in matriarchal herds of up to 100 individuals. These herds are usually led by a dominant female, known as the matriarch, who is responsible for making decisions and keeping the herd together. Elephants are known for their intelligence and emotional capacity, with research showing that they experience a wide range of emotions, including grief, joy, and even empathy. They are also very protective of their young and will go to great lengths to keep them safe from harm. African elephants are also known to be great problem solvers. One example is how they solve the issue of water scarcity in the African savanna. During the dry season, water is scarce and elephants have to travel long distances in search of water. Elephants will use their amazing sense of smell to detect water sources that are not visible on the surface of the ground. They will then use their powerful trunks to dig deep into the ground until they hit water. In some cases, elephants have been known to dig wells that are deep enough to provide water to other animals in the area. Wonderful creatures. Let's talk about their care now. While African elephants are no longer hunted for their ivory, they still face a number of threats to their survival. Habitat loss and fragmentation, human-wildlife conflict, and poaching for other body parts are just some of the challenges they face. In addition, elephants are very intelligent animals and can experience physical and psychological stress when kept in captivity, such as in circuses or tourist attractions. There are many organizations working to protect elephants and their habitats. One organization, the David Sheldrick Wildlife Trust, rescues orphaned elephants and raises them until they are ready to be released back into the wild. This organization also works to protect elephant habitats and educate local communities about the importance of conservation. By supporting organizations like these and being mindful of our own impact on the environment, we can all play a role in the conservation of these incredible animals. Unfortunately, African elephants are listed as vulnerable by the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN. This means that they are at high risk of extinction in the wild, with populations declining due to habitat loss and poaching. It's important that we take action now to protect these incredible animals and their habitats before it's too late. Finally, it's important to remember that African elephants, like all animals, deserve to be treated with respect and kindness. We must do everything we can to protect them from harm and ensure that they are able to live their lives in the wild, as they were meant to. In conclusion, African elephants are truly fascinating creatures. Their size, intelligence, and social behavior make them one of the most unique animals on the planet. Unfortunately, they face a number of threats to their survival, but by supporting organizations that work to protect them and their habitats, we can all play a role in their conservation. Let's do our part to ensure that these amazing animals continue to roam the African savanna for generations to come.
Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed learning more about African elephants. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos about the incredible animals that share our planet with us.